What is up, guys? It's your boy, No Risk, No Premium, back with another episode of the 2 Minute Drill. Well, I first off want to say thank you to all the nice and warm messages of everybody saying that I should keep the video. So here I am again, baby. I'll be here from here on out. Means I got to hit my barber every 2 weeks now. So thank you guys for that added expense to my monthly expense list. No, I'm kidding. But look, guys, what the fuck happened today? About the exact opposite of the CPI print that came out here, 1013. Check 1013. Remember, had a small down day, a major gap down, and then they boner candle asshole ripped every single person back up from 348 to 366. Actually, 67. They groovied fucking 20 points on everybody in that day. Now, what happened today? Well, we had a huge move up yesterday, and then we continued the gap up all the way to 410 open. It got to 414 pre-market, but then what happened? Devil's dick down. Because why? It was the easiest thing to see this double top. And if you're in the Wolves Wealth community, we took some goddamn puts at the top, motherfucker. Okay. And then we also we played this bounce off the closing of the gap. Now, how do we know to take the bounce off the bottom? Well, 400, obviously huge fucking level, but we knew that what comes out tomorrow, FOMC event, more than likely we weren't going to crater Gator. More than likely we weren't going to Ripper McGee to new highs either. We knew that there was likely going to be a range. Now, a fucking 10-point range, okay, rather large, but still, nonetheless. Okay, we knew it was coming. So, what do we expect for tomorrow? Okay, what do we expect for tomorrow? Well, I expect some range trading tomorrow. What is that range? I don't know, but it could likely be this 400 to 403, maybe even up here to about 406, where you see the fail of this candle right here. You're just going to need to mark all these levels, okay, like I am right now, doing my homework at the same time you guys are. Okay, so I already got 400 on there. We already got 403 on there. And now we got 406 on there. Perfect. Just depends where we open up tomorrow. Right now, futures negative one tick down. That's 0.25. Whole nothing fucking sandwich. So what happens tomorrow? It really all depends where we open up. FOMC event and Daddy P. Okay, 2 p.m. Eastern is FOMC event. Okay, news that drops and then Daddy P comes on. 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And what typically happens? Okay, what typically happens? Well, if you actually have watched any of my videos in the past, I always talk about how I play the FOMC event, and it's usually something like this. I say we go up, we go down, and then we rip up. Okay, and then we rip up. Well, that's not going to be the case for tomorrow. We could very well do that, but I'm going to be playing this a little bit different. There is a video on our YouTube. It's called How to Play the FOMC Straddle. You're going to have to do some digging in some research yourself. Go and watch that. It explains perfectly how we play the IV pump, the implied volatility. But let me just talk to you about the action into that. So we'll just go back to the FOMC minutes and then the meeting, the prior minutes and meeting, just to take a peek at them. Okay, so what is this? November 2nd. So we go here. Gotta zoom out. November 2nd is right here. Bada bing, bada bang, bada boom. Nope. Wait, is this November 2nd? Nope. That is October 2nd. Wow. Can you get your dates right? November 2nd is right here. Boom. So what typically happens? This is November 2nd, correct? Third. Second is right here. Right? Okay, November 2nd is right here. Typically, right? November 2nd, 11/2. Yeah. Okay. Wait, no, I'm not looking at the right date, am I? Yeah, November. No, this is the minutes. Is the 23rd. Learn how to read, young risky. Okay, the 23rd, guys. You guys are like, who the fuck is this idiot that comes on YouTube every fucking night? Fucking tells us how we should trade. Maybe we should fucking have him take an IQ test or something. All right, no. Okay. 23rd is still all the way over here. Okie dokie. Perfect. What happened? So what happened? there is normally a few things that go on here. Let's go to like the 15-minute chart. So, is this real? This is gonna fuck us up, isn't it? Yeah, it's just gonna fuck us up. 11:23, right? That's what we said. Is this one right here? Boom. So this is what happens. Typically, there is a move out of the open. There's a move out of the open. Directional move either goes up or down. Okay, goes up or down. But then we range the entire rest of the day. Okay, the entire rest of the day we range. And what do you notice? Right? What do you notice? We notice what? We go up and hit a resistance, and then at some point we go down and hit a support. I will more than likely, okay, this resistance was the 403 level. Remember 403 from a while ago? Still a level, still marked on my chart right here. This is where I will likely be taking a put straddle to start, depending where we go first, go up first, okay? And then I would likely take a call straddle going into the data. Now, this says 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I'm on the East Coast. I'm on the West Coast, excuse me. So, okay, so I'll be taking a put straddle and then a call straddle. That will make the entire straddle. Because you could see here, it's basically just a double bottom. The market does not break out or break down into the FOMC event. The market does not break out or break down into the FOMC event. The market does not break down or break out into the FOMC event. Okay, it's very rare. It likes to range trade. It likes to. So if you know it's going to range trade, anything that gets bought up super quickly, you likely are going to short it. Anything that falls out of the sky, you're likely going to long it. Boom, bada bing, bada bing, bada boom. There you go. But I'll be playing the implied volatility pump on it. Video is in our YouTube library. You have to go find it. Okay, you have to go find it. I'll be playing that tomorrow. If you're in the Wolves Wealth community, we'll be doing it on the live voice chat. Carter, myself, Dan, Justin, all of us will be doing it. Okay. And then right here, how I used to play it is there used to be 3 moves that happened, but you notice that didn't have. Usually we would go up, then we would go down, then we would go back up. That doesn't happen anymore. Why? That trade is starting to become a little too crowded. I think Twitter's caught on to us. Maybe there's a market maker in our fucking community. I wouldn't be surprised. Okay. But that's not the play I like to play anymore. Why? Because it's been more volatile and unpredictable after the notes come out, or after the notes come out from the meeting, and also after Powell speaks. Okay. Plus, Powell's kind of been a fucking bipolar douchebag lately. He's all dove at the last meeting, but the meeting before he was hawk as fuck. I'm like, what the fuck is going on with you, bro? So I will be playing the range. That's it. You'll want to look for a double top or a double bottom. In this case, let's say you weren't comfortable making the short here, but you could see that there was a double bottom. That's the play you want to play. Because if we don't break out, that means what? You buy support or you sell resistance. It's simple. It's really fucking simple. Okay. Then you know there's going to be all the fuckery that goes on after Powell comes on. And I don't even want to be a part of that anymore. Why? It makes my heart race, probably puts a couple more gray hairs in my hair and fucking in my beard too. I'm just not down for it. So I'm going to play the IV pump. Plus, we're really fucking good at it. Okay. So let's go now, look, to 11.2. 11.2. Is this 11.2? That's 11.18. That is not 11.2. 11.2 is way over here. Bada bing. Wait, 11.2. This was the minutes meeting, right? Am I looking at that? That's 11.4. This is 11.2. Okay, so what happened here? There was a move down, right? There was a move down and then a double bottom. Now, this was a more fake out of a double bottom, but nonetheless, there was a move down initially and then a range. You see the range here. Okay, although this has a wick, it's still shot up because if you bought the low of the wick, 381 all the way to 384. Oh my God, that's a great trade. And that's what a double bottom, but you have to wait for the confirmation to make sure you don't get sucked out. Because then what happened? We really only had a pop and drop after. It didn't really follow my strategy. So if you just wait for the double bottom, and then you take it. Okay, so that's what we'll be waiting for. So for tomorrow, okay, if we go to the daily chart, we look for the possible range that we could be in leading up into tomorrow, just really depending on where we open, how the futures treat us. I think it's a whole big old nothing Sammy. Okay, you'll see, you'll probably want to put a line at 30403. and then 4056 area, right? Where we failed this level up here earlier. Okay, be a good level. And then you'll have 400 and below 400, you got 396. You can see there's the point of control right here. Okay, 396. It really just depends. I'm very confident we'll probably be above 400. And 400 will be either the double bottom or 403 could be the double bottom if we gap up just a tad. And now we're maybe in this range up here from 403 to 406, maybe even up to 408. Mark your levels. Okay, mark your levels. At that point, you'll want to see there's a directional move in the morning, and then we base. And when we base, you don't play the breakout or breakdown from there. You just play the double bottom or the double top. Now, tomorrow, you need to be a tactical trader. If you just follow along blindly, somewhere, you're probably going to get your ass fucking handed to you. I'm sorry. Okay, but it is what it is. So tomorrow, if you've never played a FOMC, or even know what that fucking means, then don't fucking play tomorrow. Take the day off, get a tea time, just get the fuck out of the house. Don't do anything fucking stupid. Okay? But if you're in the Wolves Wealth community, you'll be on live chat with everybody. We'll be talking to everybody through it and how to play it. And it'll be very fun. Okay? Now, you'll want to mark your previous day's highs and low, your intraday levels as well. Notice the previous day high and low is a 10 fucking point range. Right? It's pretty fucking high. So we've got 400, 403, 406. I'll toss 408 in there. You see it there. Boom. Got my levels. I'm ready to go. Excuse me. Okay. So what does that mean? It all depends where we open. You have to be a little bit of a tactical trader. Okay. You have to be a little bit of a tactical trader. Now, let me talk about what might happen because we had a sell-off at the last FOMC meeting after. If we lose 400, I think it's pretty fair chance 393 and 390 possibly comes tomorrow or by the end of the week. If the reaction is very positive and it's a dovish pal, we will take out 410. Might not be on the first try, but we'll take out 410, and that'll take us to 420. So it's going to be 390, 385, 380, or 410, 412, 420. Just depends. Not going to be a predictor. Give a fuck what Powell says. I'm going to be a reactor. They don't pay me to predict. They pay me to react. So react. Wake up early. Don't do anything fucking stupid. I'll see you bright and early. Peace.